Hi friends, Chitra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show the intraday indicator, that is TCLC, dynamic support and resistance. That is the updated version of this particular indicator. I have done few enhancement to this particular indicator and I will explain you what are the other levels which I have added and how can we take the trades based on this particular support and resistance level, and where to book the profits, what is the major support and resistance, and what will be the stop loss. Everything I will be explaining you. So this is the indicator, that is TCLC, dynamic support and resistance. Okay, so as we are doing intraday, the time frame we have to select is 5 minutes. Either you can go to 5 minutes or even 3 minutes time frame, but not on 1 and 2 minutes time frame chart. But I usually prefer to take the 5 minutes time frame, okay, which will give you more accuracy. Okay, so this indicator is purely based on CPR. Okay, so CPR, in that CPR, I have added the dynamic support and the resistance level, this yellow line and this yellow diamond line and this purple line. Okay, I will show that in the settings. We can see the settings of this particular indicator, TCLC, dynamic support and resistance level. So once you click on settings, we can see the show major minor levels and show levels. So once you uncheck this show levels, we cannot see this levels which is written here. Okay, so click on show levels if you want to see the particular level for Nifty or whatever in the stocks you are looking into. Once you click on show history, if you uncheck it, we cannot see the previous day, that is previous day levels. So if you want to see the previous day levels, always check the show history. Alright, so we can see the next day or previous day, day before yesterday's levels also. So once you click on show next day levels, what we can see is, we can see the next day CPR levels. Okay, CPR levels will get plotted once you click on show next day levels. If you don't want, you can just uncheck it. Alright, and once you come to the styles, which we have already in our previous dynamic support and resistance level, I have added one more resistance level, that is the support resistance 2, which is diamond in shape. In my previous dynamic support resistance indicator, I have given only support resistance 1 and support resistance 3. Now I have added one more level. Okay, so which you can change the line width or you can change the color according to your trading style. And also here, once you come price line, you can make it into line or line with break, step line with breaks, anything you can change according to your trading style. So I have kept support resistance 1, which is yellow in color, and support resistance 2, which I have kept yellow, and same diamond shaped I have kept, this is the one. Support resistance 3, which is purple in color. So this is not the moving average, this is the dynamic support and resistance level. Alright, and once you come to the input, we can see here show moving average. So here we can keep the moving average 200 EMA in 5 minutes. The TF is called time frame. So we can keep the 5 minutes 200 EMA and 15 minutes 200 EMA. Okay. Once you come to the style, the 5 minutes 200 EMA is line and 15 minutes 200 EMA, that is moving average 2 here, right? This I have kept it diamond in shape. Okay, and what are the other enhancement is, once you go to this third moving average, you can keep this 200 EMA, we can see in one chart in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, even you can see for 1 hour. 1 hour is 16 minutes time, 60 minutes time frame. So 1 hour time frame you can keep, and I have kept that in cross. So here we can see the Nifty got reversal from the 1 hour 200 EMA, and what is the other level? Okay, that is called the CPR level. CPR breakdown also we got. All right. And also once you come to the inputs, plot Bollinger Band is there. If you want to see the Bollinger Band, you can enable it. So here I am not using Bollinger Band, so I am unchecking it. Okay, the other level, that is other enhancement which we have added to this particular indicator is PRZ. PRZ is potential reversal zone. Okay, so as we are doing intraday, I have selected 1 day, that is daily. Okay, once you click on OK, this red zone, right, that is daily PRZ level. Okay, and here this is the support of PRZ, this is the resistance of the PRZ, which is plotted in red and green. Okay, and I want to tell you one more thing here. Okay, once you go to this PRZ, you can change this PRZ to weekly, and also you can change to monthly also. So once you click on weekly, this is a higher time frame PRZ which we can see here. You can see here weekly PRZ is 24,420. Exactly from that level Nifty got reversed. Okay, and what is the resistance you can see of PRZ? That is 25,086. All right, so this is the settings. And what are the other level which we have given in this particular indicator is PDH is previous day high, PDL is previous day low, and this is the CPR level, TC, pivot point and BC, which we can see here, right? TC, pivot point and BC. Okay, and Camarilla R3 is CR3 and the other is Camarilla S3. Okay, so these are the levels, and the yellow line, yellow diamond line and purple line, this is the dynamic support and resistance which will give more confidence in order to enter into our trades. Okay, and also we can use this 200 EMA in 5 minutes and in the 15 minutes time frame. WPP is nothing but weekly pivot point, weekly CPRs, weekly pivot point, and we are also using MPP, that is monthly pivot point. This MPP is monthly pivot point, that is monthly CPRs pivot point we are using. So how to enter into the trades based on this TCLC dynamic support and the resistance level. Okay, so here we can see this is the first 9:15 first 5 minutes candle which got rejection, that is reversal from the weekly pivot and also Camarilla S3. So if we are getting any red candle below the weekly pivot, means the overall trend looks bearish, so we can enter into the short trade, but we didn't get any trade based on the support and the resistance level. So this is the PRZ, that is potential reversal zone. Below that also, if the price is trading below that, it looks Nifty is looking weak. Okay, so based on this dynamic support and resistance level, this is the yellow line, and if you are getting any red candle below this, and if the 5 minutes candles low is taken away, in that case you can enter into the short trade. Okay, but we didn't get any short trade here, so we are looking for long trade. So here we can see this is the green candle, but body is not closed above the yellow level. Okay, so this is a green candle which gave a close above this particular support level. So this low we can keep it as stop loss. So here we can keep this low as stop loss. Okay, and above this low is a stop loss, and above this we can enter into the long trade. Once this high is broken, we can enter into the long trade. Enter CE trade. Okay, and this blue dotted line is 1 hour 200 EMA, and if price is trading above that, it gives more confidence to hold our long trade. So as you are trading Nifty, once you got 20 to 30 points in options, you can always book your profits or trail your profits. So what will be the next target if you enter into the trade? Either you can keep the PRZ level or this yellow diamond line, that is a resistance level. And I want to tell you one more thing. If you are getting green candle above this yellow diamond line, the trend will be on the same side. Okay, and also this resistance level also got broken, and the green candle we got, so we can keep holding our long trade. Okay, so and one more thing I would like to tell you here is the spot price here is 24,320. So always try to enter into ITM call options. So as it is trading at 24,300, you can go for 2400 or 24,000 call options. Okay, so low we can keep as stop loss once its high is broken, and 1 hour 200 EMA also got breakout, and this yellow diamond level also got breakout, so we can keep holding your long trade till CPR. And here we can see this is the support of PRZ, this is the resistance of PRZ. Okay, so that level you have to book your profits. Alright, or else if you are in a profit, once you enter into the trade 20 to 30 points in call options, you can book your profits. So the next day Nifty opened at a Camarilla R3 level and took support at the PDH, that is previous day high. Okay, so according to our TCLC dynamic support and resistance, there is no trade till now, but we got the long trade here. This candle, that is 1225 candle, we got the CE trade. We can enter once the high is broken, taken away. Stop loss we can keep the low of this green candle, and from here Nifty gave a nice move from 24,400 and high is 24,483. All right, okay. And the next day, that is on December 4th. Okay, here also Nifty opened at PDH, and from there Nifty gave a up move. Okay. According to our indicator, we didn't get any trade. So here this red candle which gave a close below the three support and resistance level, but this low is not broken, so we can wait for the trade. This green candle gave a close above this purple support level. So once this high is broken, we can consider entering into the long trade, keeping the low as stop loss. And also this is the CPR breakout trade. Okay. So once this high is broken, we can enter into the long trade. Target can be the PDH. Okay. And again, one more long trade we got above this. You can enter into the C trade here. All right. So again, this is the this is the support and resistance level, that is minor support and resistance level. So once this is high is broken, why we are getting rejection here? Because of this yellow diamond resistance level. That's why I have added this one more level to this particular indicator. So here we got the rejection. So in that case also we can enter into the short trade. Below this you can enter the short trade and took support at the CPR level. Okay, so the next day we can see that is on December 5th. First itself is a red candle, which is the rejection from the Camarilla R3. So in that case, you can look for a short trade because Camarilla R3 is there and this diamond resistance level also there. So you can consider entering into the short trade for the first target as CPR. So below this you can enter. The first target got achieved. What this black candle indicates is if you get any black candle below or above, we can anticipate bigger movements either side. Okay, again we got the black candle below the CPR and also below this purple level, so we can expect some more movement downside. Okay, and from here 24,420 Nifty made a low of 24,298. Okay, so here we got 1 PE, 2 PE trades opportunity, keeping the highest stop loss. Okay, again we got a green candle which is above this diamond support resistance level. So above this also we can enter into the long trade. Okay, from here Nifty gave a nice up move. Okay, so if you enter into the first trade and if you are in a profit, no need to enter other trades. So this customized indicator you can use for Nifty futures and for the Bank Nifty futures also. Okay, see here we can see this is the yellow, that is the minor support level. So once this high is broken, you can enter into the long trade. But once you enter into the long trade, you can see here there is a resistance level. Okay, so at that level you have to book your profits. You don't want to wait for the PDH. Okay, so before that itself we can see that there is a resistance level. Okay, so you can enter one more CE trade if you are getting any green candle above this level. But immediately we got the rejection, that is a red candle at our resistance level. So that's the reason I have added this one more resistance level to our indicator. Okay, so if you are getting any red candle below this, you can consider entering into the short trade, keeping the highest stop loss. Okay, so when you are getting any trade in this particular indicator, we can expect the movement of the particular stock or particular index in the same direction. Okay, from there we got nice down move. All right, and those who are purchasing this indicator, I have added the PDH, previous day high, previous day low, Camarilla S3, R3, weekly pivot, monthly pivot and daily pivot. Okay, so those who are registering for my CPR course, in that I have explained how to take the trade based on CPR, weekly CPR, monthly CPR, everything is I have explained. Okay, and they will be getting few more indicators also free, those who are joining for my CPR course, and you will be getting some more levels also. What is the major levels from where the Nifty and Bank Nifty or from the where the other stocks or instruments is getting reversed. So you'll get more confident and more comfortable to take your trades. So CPR concept will work for all the instruments. You can take trades for your stocks also. All right, we can see few examples from the Bank Nifty. This is the Bank Nifty 10th December 5 minutes time frame chart. So first itself is a red candle which took support at our major support level, that is a purple level. So we can enter into the long trade once this high is broken. So here we can enter into the long trade. So again this minor level also there. So once if you are entering into the long trade, we have to keep booking our profits at the next resistance level. So as our this major resistance level is there, that diamond level resistance, this is the new level which I have added, because from there Nifty or Bank Nifty will getting reversed. So again, once you enter into the long trade, you can book your profits. Again, we got the doji candle, again red candle, so you can consider entering into the short trade below this level. Okay, so we have to book our profits according to Bank Nifty. You can book your profits according to your RR ratio. Alright, again we got an inverted hammer, that is a gravestone doji candle at this level, so you can enter one more PE trade here. So once you enter into the trade, here the price is taking support at the PDL and also at our support level, major support level. So above this we can consider entering into the long trade. So this is Bank Nifty December 17th chart. This is first itself is a green candle which gave a close above the 200 EMA and also the major support and the minor support level. But this high is not taken away, so we are not going to enter into the long trade. We got a red candle below this diamond support level, so we can expect the downside movement. Okay, so once we enter into the trade, we can book our profits at PDL. So we can expect more downside movement also, because this level got broken, yellow diamond level got broken. We can expect more movement on the downside. Again, we got a purple support level also got broken. Again, black candle below the weekly pivot. So if the weekly pivot got broken, the trend is weak. That is, Bank Nifty is looking weak. So we can book our profits at PR set, that is potential reversal zone. Again, we got one more red candle at 11:10 candle, keeping the higher stop loss. We can enter into one more short trade. Those who need access to this particular indicator can ping me in WhatsApp or in the Telegram. Okay, the link is available in the description box below. So this is my Telegram channel, Trader Chitra, currently having 10k plus subscribers. So there are so many fake channels. They are using my photo and my name. Okay, so don't get trapped. This is my free channel. Here I used to share the Nifty and the Bank Nifty major support and the resistance level and the trade which I am taking, and from the major reversal zone also I'll be sharing. Okay, so this is a free channel. You can join this channel to know the Nifty and the Bank Nifty resistance and the support levels. Okay, and also here I used to share the CPR breakout stocks also. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.